Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can enhance your image quality using AI in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a blank presentation open in my Canva account, and I will be explaining to you guys how you can go from here and actually enhance the quality. As you can see, to the left, you have this sort of toolbar, and for me, it is in a different language because my system language is different, but for you, it should all be in English, but the icons are pretty much the same. What you need to do is use a tool under applications, which is this 3x3 grid icon, and then you can select the uses artificial intelligence tab just to make your search easier, but you can do it by searching through the search bar as well. You just click on the enhancer, it'll ask you to open, and you'll need to click open at the bottom, but you'll figure that out yourself pretty much very easily. And what you need to do, of course, is first choose a file, and I'll be doing that with this, and I'll choose this image, which is just some image on my desktop from a completely different tutorial, but I'll open it up. Now I can see the original resolution, but you can enhance faces as well if you want to, but you just choose a file and then click enhance image, and it'll enhance your image and upscale it after a certain amount of time. As you can see, it's going relatively slowly. It does need time to process the image using the artificial intelligence algorithms. But yeah, this is pretty much what you need to do, and after a certain amount of time, I'm not sure if it will add it to your uploads or anything, or if it'll just directly upload it to the presentation itself. Let's just wait a bit, and it should very quickly insert the image wherever it can. As you can see, it is going a bit slower than I even expected, but it is more than halfway, so I guess it isn't that bad or that slow. But yeah, it will take a certain amount of time, so just make sure that you're not rushing things. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But after this is done, you'll get a high resolution image, as you can see. Then you can start over or add to design, and then just click add to design to add it here. And if I move it or make it larger, as you can see, it is of a very good quality. I am pretty sure it would have been in a worse quality if I didn't enhance it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.